In this video, we're going to find the whole given a percent and an amount in an application problem. Find the indicated amounts. We're going to round to 2 decimal places. We can use a calculator, but we're going to write down the expression we put in the calculator. So let's highlight important information. Dave has worked for the same employer for 5 years. His current salary is $73,500, which is 122.5% of his starting salary. And the first question asks us, what was Dave's starting salary? So, looking at the original problem, his current salary is a new amount, which is this percent. It's larger than his original starting salary, but this is the percent we're given that his current salary is of his starting salary. So his starting salary is the whole, and that's what we're trying to find. Okay, so we start with our amount, $73,500, and we are going to divide this by the percentage that this is the amount of, so 122.5%. That will give us 1% of his starting salary, and then we multiply by 100 to give us 100% of his starting salary. So 73,500 times 100 divided by 122.5. And we get $60,000. Okay. Just to verify that this makes sense, notice his current salary is $73,000. He's making more than his current than his starting salary because it's 122.5%. So his starting salary being $60,000, that makes sense. It's less than the $73,000. That doesn't mean it's exactly true, but that helps us to make sense of the numbers. Next, we're asked if Dave receives equal increases in pay every year, what was his raise per year? Well, we know that the increase in pay took place over 5 years, and it's saying equal increases in pay per year. So we're going to find the change in his salary, or the difference, and then we want to divide that equally among the number of years he's worked. So the change in his salary is going to be the difference between these two values, 73,500 minus 60,000, and this is distributed equally over 5 years. Now, if you want to put this in all at once, you need to put the numerator in parentheses, or you can compute this first, then divide. So 73,500 minus 60,000 divided by 5. And just again, to look at this, if we did not put this in parentheses, it would only divide the 60,000 by 5. It wouldn't divide the whole difference. So that's why we need the parentheses there. And we get $2,700. And notice that was per year. So our answer in this case is actually a rate. His raise was in dollars per year.